Today we are out at Winnipeg Beach with the Winnipeg Sports Car Club for some ice racing and ice drifting, and I got a special treat for you guys today. We are going to go for a ride in a Nissan 370Z with some crazy studded winter tires and show you guys what the track's all about and meet the driver, learn a little bit about the car and the driver himself, and yeah, stay tuned. This is going to be a lot of fun, guys. So we're here today with Aries Cortel, and this is his Nissan 370Z, and we're gonna go for a ride in this car today. And this thing's a shredder. Like, this thing's insane. You gotta see the tires on this car. It's got like the biggest studs you can ever imagine, and it absolutely rips. But aside from that, Aries, how you doing today, man?
I'm doing good.
Good, good. So tell us about this car. What year is this thing?
2010.
2010. So it's a Nissan 370Z. You're a drifter, right? That's what you do?
This is my first year drifting.
First year drifting.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got the right car for it. You guys know at home, Nissans, that's the only way to go when it comes to drifting. But yeah, so this car, you've done some work to it, you've done some setup to it. We've got, what's all done to it, if you don't mind telling me?
Small angle kit, just some arms in the back to get the alignment good, and handbrake and steering wheel.
Right, okay, so proper setup. So we got steering angle, hydro, steering wheel, ready to rock and roll. Let's actually check it out and take a look at it. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but the tires are actually leaking air because they have these big, massive studs in them. So they got to keep putting air in the tires just to keep this thing running. But yeah, here, look at the rear tires here.
Full angle, like 90 degrees sideways kind of car. I just feel the tires are slowly fucking going over.
Absolutely insane. So those are like rear summer tires, or like NT 555s summer tires that they've just literally put all these massive studs in. It's like 100 studs in each tire. They're not even studs, they're like screws pretty much, and big bolts. Such a cool looking car, and yeah, check out this aftermarket steering wheel. There's a big hydro brake right there. And of course, with a hydro brake, you actually get pretty much a dedicated caliper setup, so you can really get this thing drifting pretty good. So, Aries, what's the plans for this year coming up? We're in 2023, obviously. Off to a good start already, doing all this ice racing and stuff, or ice drifting. But what's the plans? Any plans for the car?
A little bit more upgrades, more angle, some louder exhaust. And yeah, we're gonna be ripping this thing all summer.
Right, drifting all summer. So
I got the drift bug, so.
Absolutely. So primarily Gimli, I'm guessing, or?
Gimli demo events for Gonzo. I'm going down to Fargo for their 5K drift series.
Yeah, that's actually gonna be really sick. I might actually have to tag along with you guys for that, because at Fargo, they've got a really good little drift track there, and they get some serious cars that come out there. So, and it's not too far for us. It's only a few hour drive from Winnipeg. So absolutely. Well, man, I wish you all the best with this. Out of curiosity, do you think I could hop in and go for a ride with you today?
Oh, of course.
Okay, let's do it. Let's go for a ride next session, just so everyone can see what this thing's all about.
Let's do it.
All right, so we're going for a ride in the 370Z. Should be a lot of fun. There's that nice big hydro brake right there. Absolutely. Hopefully we can use that. But as we were saying earlier, this car's got too much grip right now, and this is a little bit of trial and error. Aries was explaining that he put more studs in the tires this time, so it grips way too much. So we probably won't do all that much drifting as much as we'll be going fast, but it'll still be a fun ride along. But yeah, look at the cool steering wheel too. Really nice car, nice setup. It sounds so grippy. It's seriously so much fun being a passenger. Oh boy. It feels like it's sliding pretty decent.
Yeah, it's way better now.
Oh yeah, he's hung right up.
Definitely with some snow on the ground, I can definitely slide it way better.
Yeah, it seems like it's sliding pretty good. This is going to be a fun ride, as long as that Subaru gets unstuck there. The bank card. Man, this is a ride. This thing rips. Oh man, it just plants you in your seat. This is so much fun.